Since 2022, Moto Morini Seiemmezzo STR, a medium-class roadster, and the Scrambler variant SCR have been available. In June 2024, Moto Morini, a traditional Italian motorcycle brand still based in Travozzio, Italy, became part of the Jingnang Vehicle Group in China, introducing the sporty SP kit for Seiemmezzo STR. Don't go anywhere. Stay here. The SP kit for Moto Morini Seiemmezzo STR consists of 3 parts. The front section includes a neoclassic round headlight cover with a front spoiler positioned under the engine. The rear part consists of a passenger pad cover and a higher license plate holder. The Moto Morini Seiemmezzo STR with the SP kit is priced at €17,249. It is available in the Fire Red, Starlight White, and Smokey Anthracite color variants. While the spare parts are also available separately, they are much more expensive. The headlight cover and front spoiler are priced at €118 each. The passenger pad cover is €65, and the higher license plate holder is €109. The price increased by €181 from €250, so the total is €431. The technical data of the Moto Morini Seiemmezzo STR remains the same. The inline twin-cylinder engine with a capacity of 649 cubic meters, water cooling, and Bosch fuel injection produces a peak power of 61 GP 44.5 kilowatts at 8,250 revolutions per minute and a maximum torque of 54 nanometers at 7,000 revolutions per minute. Seiemmezzo achieves a maximum speed of 170 kilometers per h thanks to the 6-speed gearbox. The rear suspension shock absorber and inverted telescopic forks at the front are Kayaba Kib products adjustable to the steel frame and aluminum swing arm. The braking system uses Brembo and Bosch ABS components. The front tire is 120/2018 and the rear is 106/2017, fitted with cast aluminium rims. The seat height is 810 mm and the wheelbase is 1,425 mm. With an empty fuel tank of 16 liters, the Seiemmezzo STR weighs around 200 kilograms.